One, two, three, action. What do we have here, Chef Brennan?
Eat it. Is it hot?
No, ¿cómo crees?
Ahorita va a escupir.
1 to 10.
¿Qué piensa el testeador? A ver.
Come here, little slice of yeah.
Está caliente chingada.
Me quemé la jeta, vale.
Está rico. Está bien.
Sí, obvio.
Very chewy.
Very
Very
what?
what? Chewy?
I think right here in the middle is better.
I think you gave your pure cartilage. Pure cartilage.
Oh, yeah?
Fuck.
Oh, is it hot?
It's very good. It's pure cartilage.
No way, is it?
No, it's not. It is Wagyu.